Namibian Dolphin Project and Sea Search.
There we go. There
Good
we
morning.
go. I figured I'd phone a friend. All right, so listen, what is the mission and the core focus of the Namibian Dolphin Project?
Hi, yeah, good morning. So we work in South Africa and in Namibia, and we work on a range of different whale and dolphin species, and also actually seals as well. And basically we're interested in their behavior. We're interested in basic aspects as well, like how many are in the population and where the animals live and what time of year they come along the coastline. So there's some quite important basic information, and then there's also these more complex questions about how they communicate and how they share their knowledge.
And it always sounds like they're chirping, right? Like they have a lot to say. They seem so social. And with the large amount of biological diversity that's in South Africa, what are you hoping to learn through all the research?
So yeah, I mean, we've got a huge number of different species in the marine environment across, from urchins and fish across to the whales and dolphins. And a lot of the information just isn't there, just the baseline information. So that's where we start out. So, which species are around and when, and how many are in each population and things like that. And then really working up. And all of that really feeds into conservation of these species. So everything we do has a really strong conservation focus. But yeah, we're academic scientists, so a lot of our time is, writing papers, writing publications, and overseeing students, and just getting the information out there on our biological diversity around South Africa and Namibia.
So what are these dolphins talking about? Is it strictly business? Are they talking about where to hunt, where to go swim to, or are they brushing up on the latest dolphin gossip?
Well, dolphins, as you can see in the clip there, they're very chatty. And what they're doing is they're using something called echolocation, which I'm sure you've heard of, to find their food and to see the world. And then the whistles that you can hear are actually similar to a name in dolphin society. So effectively, actually, each individual has its own signature whistle, which it learns very early in its lifetime. And then it uses that signature whistle to actually keep in contact with the other dolphins in the pod. And that means that they can, go off, they can forage in different areas, and then they can come back to the group.